My name is Luan. I'm from French. I work electrical sites.
My name is Laura. I'm from the Netherlands and I have a small background in programming with Arduino and in making electrical systems.
My name is Gonçalo Oliveira. I'm from Team Portugal and I worked in literally everything. I translated everything from Spanish to English for them, and I worked in electric systems, I worked in Arduino, and I worked in programming the ESP32.
My name is Jakob. I'm from Team Slovenia, and I worked on the electrical part of the project, and I helped with the presentation.
My name is Aras. I'm from Turkey, and I worked in server software.
Okay, so basically I will start by presenting the automotive part of our project. Okay, from here to here we have the alimentation of the circuit, and these 6 are relays, and each one of these are timers, and these guys are responsible for the movements of the car. At this circuit ends, these little guys make any action of the car. Actions the timer, and then the car goes. Then actions the timer, it works, and then the car goes again. Actions the timer, it blows air, and then it goes away again. And then we have the last guy here. So basically, what I explained to you here, it's represented on this board right here that my friend here from France and my friend here from Slovenia were working in.
So a lot of places in the world have a problem with water, or exactly the lack of it. So with this project we're trying to reuse the water for car washing plants. With that water we can water the plants on the farms.
The ESP32 is used to monitor with your phone while